Galime. Now I'm here with Ms. Dana Warish, the head of the Disaster Risk Reduction Management Committee. Ma'am, how can you explain how families can prepare for earthquakes, especially now that we're also monitoring Mount Kanaon?
Yes, we are currently facing two dangers, the volcano and the fault line. Even if there is a volcanic activity, earthquakes can still happen anytime. That's why preparedness is very important. Here are the key steps for every family. Number 1, inspect and strengthen your home. Secure heavy objects so they won't fall during shaking. Second, prepare an emergency go bag. They should include water, food, extra clothes, flashlight, first aid kit, power bank, and important documents. Also include medicines for elderly family members. Third, practice the duck, cover, and hold. When you feel shaking, don't panic. Duck under a sturdy table, cover your head and neck, and hold on. Last, help vulnerable family members. Assist children, seniors, and persons with disabilities.
Thank you for the reminder, ma'am. It's important for families to act now before it's too late. Back to you, Galime.